Hey everybody, J&A RV Review, and today we're at Haleyville, Alabama, right here at Triple H RV. Now you need one this long? All right, but now before we get to this one, let me just tell you, if you want 15% off on liquefied J&A, we are affiliates now, so check out the description with the link and the coupon code.
Yes, we will hook you up.
All right, so let's look at this. This is a 2026 Forest River Salem FSX, model number 135ICE. So let's get started. The length on this FSX is 16 foot. The dry weight is 2,504. The hitch weight of 365. GVWR 3,865.
So guys, if you have got a small pickup, a pretty well-equipped SUV, possibly even a minivan, and you want to camp, this is probably what you are looking for. You cannot get much simpler than this. There is no slide. It is a single axle camper. So all you have to do is just pull it in, plug it in, and you're ready. Now start right up here. This is going to have a manual tongue jack, so because it's such a small unit, you can add an electric one if you like. It is going to have a single propane tank. There is no external storage on this one, but there's actually pretty good storage on the inside to be as small as it is. You do have two dump areas on this one, which perplexed me a little bit.
I guess that's going to be your gray tank for your...
Yes. Your kitchen and then the bathroom. So, yeah, you do actually have...
I'm going to say that's probably your
That's
kitchen.
the kitchen and that's the bathroom.
Yeah.
Yes. All right, but...
Wow.
Right here.
Tankless water heater.
Yes, indeed. All right, let's see. I was going to say, hey, let's walk around, but here I am. It doesn't take very long. This is going to be prepped for the Lippert ladder. It's also going to be prepped for a backup camera, and your spare is going to be right here on the back.
Now this is actually pretty cool because we did get a comment, some people want to see some smaller campers, so well you can't get much smaller than this one.
You can't get too much smaller, but in all honesty, I mean, hey, come on. If you need a place to lay your head at night, this is a good one. It is going to have an 8-foot awning on it, so at 16 feet overall, your awning is going to be half the size of your camper.
It's pretty much.
I actually like, though, that they did not put a
window
in the door, so that is actually really nice. All right.
Now, this is pretty funny. I love looking at the little smaller campers, but Amanda, not so much.
I'm a little bit claustrophobic. So, all right. So there's our quick review. Right there. It didn't take long to look around. You are going to have an east-west bed on this. We decided that this was 54 inches wide and 74 inches long. So yeah, it's going to be about a twin size. So if you got really tall people, I don't know. I'm not sure. You may have to sleep diagonally on it. Got some storage right there at the headboard or footboard, depending on which direction you go in. You have some open storage up here across the top. Actually, that is where your TV is going to go.
Yeah.
So you've got to plug in down there. They give you some lights. Like that they do that. I'm saying I'm not really sure why. But you do have some storage here. So this is storage underneath the bed.
Yeah.
Here in the kitchen area, I guess you could call this a micro kitchen because you don't have an oven, but they do give you two burners here. Actually, a really decent sized sink. You have some fair counter space. Plug in so you can get one of those slimline coffee makers. It'll fit in there. You've got storage up above. You are going to have a GE profile AC in here. I'm impressed with that now. So actually that is some really good sized storage underneath your sink. We're going to do a little tango here so I can turn around.
Now you've got this little back here. Now you might could put a little microwave back here.
You could probably get a microwave because I do see that they gave you a plug-in. You have a mini fridge there. So I think one of those smaller microwaves would sit right there in that, and then you've got, you know, some open storage that you can use as a pantry. There is a shelf up here above your dinette. I'm thinking this dinette will probably make additional sleeping, but it is definitely going to be for a kid.
Let me try this.
Sure. Now, if you're 6 feet tall and so many pounds,
You need so many pounds.
so many pounds, that might be, well, it's snug.
Yeah. I mean, once I'm here, I'm all right.
Yeah. Now, getting out.
Now, if you're a little more on the fluffy side.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. You do have a vent up there. Okay, is this your heating? Or is that just a vent
No,
for
it's a vent for the bathroom.
For the bathroom.
Because you don't have a fan in here.
Okay.
And yeah.
Yeah, so you're
So
gonna
you do have a little door.
Yeah, sliding door for your bathroom. And we're going to show you this real quick. This is a single axle, so we're going to try not to shift all the weight to one end. But, I mean, hey, they're only 6 feet tall, so they give you a vent.
It's just a vent.
A vent up there, but it does give you extra little bit of headspace. So, you can make it work.
Looks like a 24 by 32.
24 by 32. That's actually not a bad size shower for a small unit.
Now this does not have...
Right. It does not have an enclosure, so this is one of those that once you got out, you wouldn't need to wipe it down.
Wipe the walls down.
Just wipe it down and kind of keep it as dry as possible,
Yeah.
and you should be fine. It is going to give you a plastic foot flush toilet. And there's not a sink in there, but you are right next to this one, so you can come right out, wash your hands.
It's a little awkward trying to step in.
Just where everything
Stepping
is.
out.
But hey, if you like to fish or hunt, and you just need somewhere to sleep for the night, or if you are one of those who likes to hike or kayak or backpack, and you're not going to stay in your camper very long, or if you just want something that's small and simple, this is it. This is the one.
So whoever sent me that comment on the smaller units, hey, there you go.
Here you go.
All right, everybody. Like I said, check out our description for Liquefied, and the link is in that description along with the coupon code for 15% off. All right, everybody. If you like this little FSX, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.